This video is about Kaizen. Kaizen is a powerful tool for driving improvement, also known as continuous improvement. It is used by many of the world's most successful companies. The approach emphasizes the value of continuous improvement instead of just making one-off improvements. Employees are organized into Kaizen groups and encouraged to identify and implement improvements in how they work. The benefits include ideas are employee-led, which generates buy-in. With the ideas coming from the employees themselves, they're less likely to be different from one another, therefore being easier to implement. The approach empowers employees to take ownership of their work, which also helps reinforce teamwork. If implemented effectively, it can create an innovation-led environment. It also has the benefit of being cost-effective, as it removes or reduces the need for expensive external consultants, who also may not know the business as well as those who work within it. As a result, it is a wonderful technique for incremental change, for eliminating waste, for removing processes and product defects, and for gradually, but frequently, evolving products and services. But it also has a number of weaknesses. It is not a great technique for new products, as it focuses improvements rather than creating innovation. It is also not great at creating big leaps forward, which may be required when a step change is needed. Therefore, there are pros and cons of Kaizen, but it is a great technique to build strong engagement culture and identify improvements using talent from across an organization.